Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ryzen Desi. Today vlog is very special for students who have embassy interview. If you're going to the embassy for interview, just remember that you have to attempt 2 exams as well. One is English test, one is mathematics test. Before we start with the exam, I just want to mention I'm not a professional examiner. Based on the past student experiences, I collected all this data and I'm going to share with you. So you need to practice and remember the method will be same, only the numbers will be different. So to begin, the exam has 2 parts, English and maths. Both parts are multiple choice. The first part is maths. The question that you will be required to answer will be equivalent to metric or O-level questions. One more time, please seek help of those who can help you out with these papers. So I do not have an official answer sheet. I would like to mention one more thing. According to a few students, that passing marks are 80%. This is not guaranteed that passing marks are 80%. It's just they did the exam and they were thinking probably they got 80%, and after attempting the exam they got their visas. So this is what we assume, that 80% is the passing marks. If you have any question, you can write it down in the comment box. I will try to find the answers for those questions. For English exam, you will be provided with the comprehension passage and then you will be required to answer the questions that follow. After you are done with the comprehension passage, you will have to answer a few grammar related questions. But in this one, some students got the English test, some students just gave the interview in English. Rest, it depends on the embassy. Whatever the option they will give you, you have to do that. So be prepared for everything so that you will not find any difficulties in that. Other than this written test, you have to be ready for the formal interview. The ambassador will ask you a few questions regarding your education, regarding yourself, and what you're going to do. So be prepared for that. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I put a new video.